Alright, I've got here a SKIL Power Core brushless weed eater. It's one of the 40-volt series. Here's the battery that it takes. First thing to do is to measure out about 15 feet, 16 feet of string. I always just do 2.5 arm lengths. So grab your string. Right there. Now cut that off. Alright, once you have your new string ready to go, this is really easy. Doesn't matter which position this is in. All you got to do is push the string through one side, watch it come out the other. So I'm going to start right here, start feeding it through. Once you feel it moving, turn around to the other side right here. You might want to tilt it and watch for it to start coming out. You can see it coming out right there. But you could also see it was starting to get jammed up right there, which is fine. If it's not going through right on the first time, just pull it back out, twist it around a little bit, and send it back through. And it'll eventually go through. So there you go. All right, now once you have it started through, go ahead and set it down on the ground. Grab both ends of the string. What we're doing is we're just going to pull these up together so that they're equal on either side. So maybe keep the weed eater still, put your foot on it. Just pull these through. There we go. They're about equal on each side now. All right, now at this point you should have an equal amount of string on both sides or close to it, somewhere around 7 to 8 feet. And all you got to do is grab the red collar down here, grab the top piece, this black piece, and it's only going to twist one way. So the black piece twists counterclockwise relative to the collar. So just twist it up. All right, then as you get close to the end, you're going to want the end of one of these pieces, whichever one is shorter, to be matched up to this blade right here. This blade right here cuts the line as it spins around to make sure it's all the same length.